shit.
2020 Civic Si sedan. So basically, it's basically stock aside from a PRL Stage 1 intake, an NVIDIA exhaust,
Okay.
like Volt T37s on like 255, 35, 18s, Indy 500. I have a ultra racing front strut bar,
Okay.
rear trunk brace,
Yeah.
Acuity Stage 2 shifter kit,
Yeah.
and that's basically it.
Sounds good, man.
I have a couple of parts waiting to be installed, such as full coilover kit, rear camber arms, beefier sway bars.
For sure.
Yeah, adjustable end links and stuff. That's
Okay.
basically it.
And you said a full tune is coming.
Not this year though.
Okay.
So I want to do a full bolt-ons, maybe go a bigger turbo plus a tune next year.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe a stronger clutch as
Stronger
well.
clutch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and I also
appreciate
have a Mugen front lip and side skirts waiting.
it. Okay.
Like I'm still waiting for it to be delivered. Like they said, it's gonna take at least like a month to get here.
Got you.
Yeah.
Sounds
That's
great,
it.
man. Appreciate it, eh?
No worries.
Thanks so much. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a quick look inside. This is the SI. You guys can see the cluster placement with the Honda badge and the steering wheel there. You said this is short shifter or no? No, okay.
No, like it's basically almost the Stage 2 Acuity shifter kit.
Okay.
I just didn't get the short shifter kit that goes at the bottom of like the shifter base.
Okay, got you.
I replaced the shift knob with a spoon Duracon ones.
Okay. Okay, we'll take a look under the bonnet. Oh wow, okay.
It's the meat and potatoes.
Meat and potatoes.
Spaghetti.
Oh, there's a lot going on under here, though. Very cool. You said this is around 205?
205 to the crank, I guess. Stock, I don't know the exact figures.
Okay. Alright guys, that's a quick look under the bonnet there for you, the SI. Alright guys, we got a trunk brace in the back here with a sub. Very cool.
Weight addition.
For distribution, right?
Yeah.
Very cool. Alright, you can go ahead and close it up there if you want. Perfect.